Patients choose fast braces because it's safer, faster, and less to no sensitivity, and also majority of cases that I have, and actually all of the cases that I have right now in the practice, doesn't involve any surgery or extraction of the teeth. Even though it look like, you know, really crowding, but it turned out to be because of the system can help grow bone. It help us to position the teeth without compromising or extracting the teeth, or even, you know, surgery. So whoever needs to have a free consultation with me, patient can reach me in my Philadelphia practice, which is Presidential Dental and Fast Braces for Philadelphia, and for the Maryland is 240-550-1442.